Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General penny list for December the 20th, 2022. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick reminder that I did upload a video yesterday going over all of the new coupons and glitches at Dollar General for this week. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out, and I'll have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in here. So this week at Dollar General, we do not have any new clearance markdowns. However, we do have a penny list. So remember, do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into the store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, make sure that you have your correct store location set, and if those items scan at 000 or 001, you have found a penny item. So, starting on December the 20th, 2022, all of our fall harvest items will be a penny. So, just to give you a quick idea of what you want to be on the lookout for, some of the items have these little hang tags on them that say Perfect Harvest. They'll either have an orange pumpkin or some of them even have a red pumpkin. Now, other items that you want to be on the lookout for will have a sticker tag, and they will say F22 right above the barcode where it says Made in China. Now, we also need to talk about the green artistry design hang tags for just a quick second. What I'm noticing is that the fall flowers that are in the vases that have the green artistry design hang tags, those are still ringing up full price. That's what's happening at my store. If you guys are experiencing anything different, please let me know down in the comment section below. However, we also have the little single pick flowers with the green artistry design tags, and they say F22 on the back. Now, those are following the clearance price. They are currently at 90% off, but starting tomorrow, those will be just 1 penny. So make sure that you really check over your store for these flowers. If you want to pick them up, you may find them in a box like you see pictured right here. They may be in the regular flower section back in your little home section, NCI section of your store. And you may also find them in standalone boxes up and down the aisles. So just be on the lookout for those and scan, scan, scan. Now, we also have fall flowers that are in vases that have the Perfect Harvest hang tag like you see right here. So again, just double check your store because those are following the clearance markdowns and will be a penny starting on Tuesday. So here's a few pictures of those items that do have the Perfect Harvest hang tags. Alright guys, now I'm not going to talk to you all throughout this entire video because I do want you to pay attention to the pictures and UPC codes that I have for you all. So I'm going to turn on a little background music here in just a quick second, but I do want to go ahead and point out that I did add some new visuals and UPC codes of some items that I found in my home section last week and the week before that may not necessarily stand out to you all as fall harvest items. So just be on the lookout and scan, scan, scan. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video and we are taking a quick look at candles. Now a lot of these candles look like everyday candles that Dollar General would sell. So again, make sure that you check out your regular candle section because these are some items that employees might overlook. Now, before you all go, please let me know down in the comment section below, did you go out shopping last week and grab up a lot of these items at 90% off? Or did you decide to wait until this week to see what you can snag up for a penny? And also, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your penny shopping deals. And I will see you on the next one.